Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add multiple photos on a Snapchat story. If you want to share multiple photos at once on your Snapchat story, you can do it easily using the Memories feature. This is helpful when you have several pictures you want your friends or followers to see in a single story. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on Memories at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your saved snaps, camera roll photos, and previous stories are stored. Now, scroll through your memories and hold down on the first photo you want to share. You can then select multiple photos by tapping on the others you want to include in your story. Make sure you check all the photos you want to add before moving on. Once you have selected the photos, tap on the Send button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the screen where you can choose your story settings. Here, you can select who can view your story. Tap on My Story if you want all your friends to see it, Friends Only if you want only your selected friends, or Public if you want anyone on Snapchat to view your story. Finally, tap on the Send button again at the bottom right corner. Your selected photos will now be uploaded to your story, and your friends or followers will be able to view them in the order you selected. Using this method saves time and keeps your story organized, especially when you have multiple photos from the same event or moment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.